Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest app on your device. On the login page, you can sign up to Pinterest using your email address, Facebook, and Google. In this video, we will be using our email. So enter your email address and tap Continue. Now create a password for your account and tap Next. Similarly, enter your full name here and tap Next. Here, enter your age and tap Next. Now you must select your gender and select your country as well. Tap Next. Pinterest will ask you to pick 5 or more topics that interest you. This is just to get you started. You can pick more later as well. So tap the topics that interest you. And tap Next. And that's how you sign up for Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.